while tipas is more commonly known as a sticky rice cake. And these are the festivals in South Cotabato. We have Tinalak Festival. The Tinalak Festival is a week-long annual celebration of Coronadal City, South Cotabato, held every July to commemorate the province's founding anniversary. The festival is known as the Land of Dream Weavers due to the dream-inspired designs of the Tinalak cloth, which symbolizes the unity and strength of the different ethnic groups in the region. And the second one is Sislong Festival. Sislong Festival is an annual celebration in Tibuli, South Cotabato that showcases the rich cultural heritage of the Tibuli people through traditional musics, dances, chants, and crafts. The word Sislong translates to marketplace or gathering, symbolizing unity among different tribes. The event held annually in March also features modern activities like motocross, parades, and sports competitions, blending indigenous traditions with contemporary festivities. And the last one is the Pasundayag Festival. The Pasundayag Festival is a vibrant celebration held in Banga, South Cotabato, typically taking place in the first week of March. This week-long extravaganza showcases the municipality's rich cultural heritage, local talents, and agricultural abundance, particularly corn production, earning Banga the title Corn Capital of the Philippines. Cotabato can refer to distinct places in the Philippines. Cotabato City, an independent component city in the Bangsamoro region, or Cotabato Province, often called North Cotabato, a landlocked province in the Sacsayhuaman region with its capital in Kidapawan. The Cotabato Province, also known as North Cotabato, has its capital in Kidapawan City, while the city of Cotabato has its own local government. Historically, the name also refers to a much larger former province that was dissolved in 1973. And these are the tourist and natural attraction of the Cotabato. First, we have the Pink Mosque. Most commonly refers to the Masjid di Maokom, a mosque in the Philippines famous for its bright pink exterior. It is a symbol of peace, love, and unity, built by then Mayor Samsudin di Maokom to change the image of the province and promote interreligious brotherhood. The Pink Mosque located at Dato Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao, Philippines. And the second one is the Sikasik Falls, a unique and popular tourist destination in Alamada known for its curtain-like cascade of water that offers to the spring from a moss-covered cliff face rather than a river. The name Asik-Asik is a Ilocano word meaning sprinkle sprinkle, which accurately describe the gentle flow of water that emerged from crevices in the 60-meter high cliff. The Asik-Asik Falls, located at Barangay Dado, Alamada, North Cotabato on the slopes of Mount Pragang. It was discovered accidentally in 2010 and since then it has grown into a major tourist spot attracting both local and international. The third one, the Grand Mosque in the Cotabato is officially the Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah Mosque, and it is the largest mosque in the Philippines and the second largest in Southeast Asia. It was completed in 2011 with a capacity of up to 15,000 worshippers. Its construction was largely funded by the Sultan of Brunei, with the rest of the cost covered by the Philippine government. These are the cuisines and delicacies in Cotabato. The first one is the nilasing na tilapia. It's a popular Filipino dish or fried tilapia that has been marinated in cooking wine, seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic, and then coated in the cornstarch and flour before frying to a crisp. The name nilasing translated to drunk or marinated in wine, and this presentation method gives the fish a unique flavor and crispy texture. And also we have chicken niligid or chicken nilingil is a savory dry curry style chicken dish from the Maguindanao region of Mindanao, which include Cotabato. It is made with chicken cooked with ingredients like turmeric, coconut milk, and local condiment called palapa, giving it a rich umami flavor, often with the addition of chicken liver for extra dip. And the last one is the kambing sanina or kambing sinina. It's a traditional Maguindanao stew made from goat meat, and in Cotabato it is a popular dish served as special occasions like weddings and Thanksgiving celebrations. The stew is rich and flavorful, prepared with local spices and often includes ingredients like coconut milk, tomatoes, ginger, and turmeric. This is the festival in Cotabato. The Kalivungan Festival is a week-long festival in Cotabato Province that celebrates the province's founding anniversary, cultural heritage, and unity. It involves various cultural activities like street dance, tribal rituals, and the agro-trade expos, bringing together the indigenous groups to showcase their traditions and products. The celebration takes place annually and culminates on September 1st. Let's proceed to the third province of Saksarjan, the Sultan Kudarat. Sultan Kudarat means Sultan of Power, a title derived from the Arabic word Kudrat, power, combined with the Malay term Sultan, ruler. It is the name of the 17th century Maguindanao ruler Muhammad Dipatuan Kudarat, known for successfully repelling Spanish forces and resisting colonial expansion. The province and municipality in the Philippines are named in his honor. These are the two tourist and natural attraction of Sultan Kudarat. First, we have Buluan Lake is a large freshwater lake in Mindanao, Philippines, and the third largest in the country. It is a significant source of biodiversity and supports aquaculture but is also affected by pollution. Lake Buluan has an estimated surface area of 61.34 square kilometers and is located in central Mindanao. It is bordered by the municipalities of Lutayan and President Quirino, Sultan Kudarat, and the municipality of Buluan, Maguindanao. And the last one is the La Palmera mountain ridge is a tourist destination in Colombia, Sultan Kudarat, known for its rolling green hills, lush palm trees, and panoramic views. The name La Palmera means palm trees in Spanish, referring to the numerous palm plantations in the area. These plantations are the key source of livelihood for the local Balaan people. So, it's popular for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and the stargazing, and is often called the Sea of Clouds destination of the province. Cuisines and delicacies in Sultan Kudarat. The first one is pastil. It's a traditional Maguindanaoan dish consisting of steamed rice topped with shredded seasoned chicken or beef and wrapped in banana leaf. It is a popular and affordable meal often eaten for breakfast or a snack and is a staple in Mindanao. And the second one is the beef sanina or beef sinina. Sinina is a Filipino dish popular in Maguindanao, served during Kalilang and Kanduli. It is usually made with beef or goat, cooked with carrots, potatoes, palapa, tomatoes, and spices and coconut milk. The last one is the fried catfish in Sultan Kudarat is a popular local dish, often served whole and deep fried until crispy. It is prepared by seasoning the fish, which is common staple in the area, and then frying into a golden brown. Fried catfish is a highlight at local eateries, festivals, and food stalls. Sultan Kudarat has two festivals. First is the Kalimudan Festival. It is an expression of thanksgiving as well as to showcase the vibrant culture of its people. The first Kalimudan Festival was launched in 1999 within the term of Governor Omar Pax Mangudadato during the province's 26th founding anniversary. The second festival in Sultan Kudarat is Bansadayaw, a week-long festival in Bagong Bayan, Sultan Kudarat that celebrates the town's founding anniversary in November. The name is combination of two Ilonggo words, Bansa in full view and the Dayaw merry-making. The celebration includes a variety of events such as street dancing, talent shows, sport competitions, pageantries, agro and trade fairs, and celebrate concerts. And now let's proceed to the last province of the Sac Sargent, the Sarangani province. Sarangani can refer to the province in the Philippines Sac Sargent region or a coastal municipality in Davao Occidental. The Sarangani province is known for its 230 km coastline, its capital in Alabel, and for being the hometown of Manny Pacquiao. Sarangani province offers diverse attractions like beaches, diving spots, and mountains, supported by industries in agriculture and tourism. Its name is derived from the Sarangani Bay, which itself may have roots in the Singer phrase Saranganing, meaning stopover and place of sojourn. Sarangani is at the southernmost tip of mainland Mindanao, bordered by the Celebes Sea. These are the tourist and natural attraction of Sarangani. First, we have the Nalos Falls, likely refers to the combination of two distinct tourist destinations in Caimba, Sarangani. The Nalos location, a protected area accessible by boat from Caimba. The four coves with only one open to the public. It is famous for its crystal clear waters, vibrant color formations, and a long strand of white sand lined with coconut.